Assalamu alaikum students. We continue unit 3 with a very important concept, that is laws of logarithms. These laws of logarithm will answer your question that why we use logarithm. Actually, laws of logarithm provide us the solution of complicated calculation of multiplication, division, exponent and root. And these laws are related to these basic algebraic operations. When calculators are not there, these laws will make the calculation so easy. The problems of multiplication are converted into addition. Today we discuss the first law of logarithm, which is also called the law of product. Whenever we have to multiply two or more than two numbers, this law will help us. Actually, it transforms this multiplication into addition. So therefore, that is the reason that law is called law of product. So first we learn how that law can be proved, and then after we learn with the help of examples how we can convert the product form into the sum, and that will help to find the required product. Let's prove the first law. To prove this law, we let these two values equal to two different variables. Let log m to the base a is equal to x and log n to the base a is equal to y. We name this equation 1 and this equation as equation number 2 for reference. Writing these two equations, equation number 1 and 2, in exponential form. We have, as you know, that a mean the base will remain base, and the equal value will become power, and that value m will become equal value. For this second expression, we have a, the base remains base, and y becomes power, and n will become equal value. We name these equations as equation 3 and equation 4. As you observe, the right hand side of these two equations are m and n, and in the requirement we have m and n in product. So if we multiply these two, mean m and n, so it means we have to multiply the respective sides of the equation. So multiplying the respective sides of equation 3 by 4, we have a raised to power x multiply a raised to power y. The left hand side is multiplied with the left hand side, equal to m multiply n. The right hand side is multiplied to the right hand side. As we have the concept that if bases are same in a product, then their powers are added according to the law of sum of powers. So we apply the law of sum of power on the left hand side. We have a raised to power x plus y, that is equal to m n. Now the equation is in exponential form. If we convert into the logarithmic form according to the definition of logarithm, then we reach to the solution of our problem. So we write this exponential form into log form. We have log, as we know that the base remains base, and that equal value will become the value, the log of the number, and the power will become equal value x plus y. We know the value of x and y from equation 1 and 2. We put the values of x and y in that equation. We have log m n to the base a is equal to, the value of x is log m to the base a plus the value of y is log n to the base a. And what we observe? We observe that the product is transformed into the sum of two distinct log. Mean the product of log m and n is transformed into the sum of log m and log n. So we can apply this first law on the problems of multiplication, problems to find the product, simply by the sum of the logs. We can solve the problems of product by simply converting into the sum of the logs. Hence it is proved. Now we take example to understand how this law make the multiplication easy. Suppose we are given two numbers and these are we let the product of these two numbers is equal to x. When we use calculator to find the product, the product is but in old days the calculators are not present for such calculations. So logarithm is invented. And logarithm is helpful to convert such a problem of multiplication into simple problem of addition. How? So first we take the log of the both sides. We have log x is equal to log 291.3 into 42.36. As we observe that in the right hand side we have two numbers in a product with a log. So if we apply the first law, which is the law of product, that will be converted into the sum of the two distinct logs. So we apply over here on the right hand side and we get log 291.3 plus log 42.36. Now using calculator, as people have learned to find the log of a number by using calculator. So use calculator to find the log of this number, log 291.3. We have 2.4643 plus log of 42.36 is 1.6269. By adding these we have 4.0912. We have the value of log x. If we take the anti-log of both sides, and that phenomena is also learned by you in question number 3 of exercise 3.2, the x will become equal to anti-log 4.0912. And how we take the anti-log? By pressing shift log function in calculator. We have the value 12340. You observe that the problem of multiplication is simply converted into the problem of sum, and the result we have on our hand. So by the example you learn how this problem of multiplication is converted into the problem of sum, and that thing makes calculation easy. So I hope you learn the first law of log and how it helps us to find out the product converting into the sum. Thank you.